Hello, readers. Welcome back to Bulldog Books, where we do nonsense words and reading and just all manner of silliness. That's how I'm feeling today. Okay, let's start with nonsense words, readers. Here's our timer, and I'm going to show you the nonsense words. Are you ready to do your very best nonsense word reading? Get set and go. And stop right there. Now's the part where you pause our video, go back, count how many of these nonsense words you were able to read in that minute, and then compare your score from yesterday with your score for today. All right, readers, we are moving on to our book. And when I saw this book, it made me, this is funny, but it made me think of our second grade teacher, Mrs. Porter, because she taught me one of the best ways to remember the sound that an I makes when it's making a short I sound is to think of when you touch something sticky or icky and you go, eh, eh. So the title of this book is What Feels Sticky? And we're going to explore that sensation, or the one of the five senses that we have, that is the sense of touch, because I'm pretty sure all of you know things that feel sticky. This book is authored by Pam Holden. And we are going to do this as a echo read, where Miss Sunshine will read a page and you'll read it back to her. Let's take a look at our first page. This glue feels sticky. Now you. This honey feels sticky. This spider web feels sticky. This mud feels sticky. Now your turn. This orange juice feels sticky. This toothpaste feels sticky. I'm going to do it with you. Ready? This dough feels sticky. This paint feels very sticky. Oops. And do you see the punctuation after the word oops? We know that's called an exclamation point. It shows up over here in our review. And we know that when we see an exclamation point, we need to read whatever is in that sentence with more feeling and expression in our voice than we normally would. The other punctuation we see over here is what? That's right, that's a question mark. So when we read a sentence that ends with a question mark, our voice goes up. So we would say something like, what feels sticky? And you can hear the sound of the question in Miss Sunshine's voice when she uses a question mark. Let's look at these 4 other vocabulary words. I bet you know these words. Let's go back. This, very, this, what? If you want to pause the video and practice any of those words, feel free to go ahead and practice those words. Otherwise, I hope you enjoyed exploring with me all of the things in this book that feel sticky.